Marketing Research by Georgie Mancia.
Janet Rosas.
Carol Ware.
and Jose Garcia.
Marketing research involves the gathering of information about a particular market followed by analysis of the information. Primary data is the search and compilation of new data. The observational method is the oldest form of research in existence. Using this method, you avoid contact with respondents. However, it does not limit you to it limits you to descriptive studies. The questioning method. This method also involves respondents in various ways. The two main ways of using this method is using surveys and experimentation. Secondary data are not only less expensive to gather as primary data, but marketing decisions can be made only using secondary data. Secondary data is information that is already compiled. There are negatives of secondary data, and those are that the data may be outdated, units of measure may be off, and the validity is always a question.
Purposes and objectives of marketing research. Identify the consumer response to the company's product. Know the consumer's needs and expectations. Seek maximum information about the consumer, i.e., that knows consumers' income range, their location, buying behavior, etc. Know the nature and extent of competition and also the strength and weakness of the competitors. Check the reaction of the dealers to the company policies. Evaluate the reputation of the company in the market, identify and solve the marketing problems of the company, search for new marketing opportunities, find out alternative uses of the existing products, estimate the cost of marketing of goods and service, help company to introduce new products in the market and improve its existing products.
Developing an information gathering instrument. The questionnaire is the instrument for guiding the research and the response to a survey. Make sure each question portrays to a specific object that is in line with the purpose of the study. Place simple questions first and difficult to answer questions later in the questionnaire. Avoid leading a base question. Ask yourself, how could this question be misinterpreted? Reword the question to reduce or eliminate the possibility that they will be misunderstood. Give conscious but complete directions in the questionnaire. Solicitly explain the information desired and route the respondents around the question that they might not be related to them. When possible, use scale questions rather than simple yes or no questions to measure intensity of attitude or frequency of experience.
Interpreting and reporting the information. The first step in drawing conclusions from most research is displaying the data in table format. Next, the data must be analyzed statistical. Interpretational focuses on what the typical and what deviates from the average. Data require careful interpretation by the marketer. Managers must understand the research results and relate to them to a context that permits effective decision making.